Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We're here in Alexandria, Virginia at the Hampton Inn. Alexandria, Old Town South. This is right off the exit. I'll put the location tags and stuff. So for what location this is. Anyway, checked in here, put on some lights, and yeah. Okay. Here's our bathroom. Okay. We got this. That's yeah, probably seen better days. Mirror. Bathroom's kind of dated, but alright. Got our shitter. Braids. We'll flush it. Um, that fucking sucks. Seems like we got a bad fill valve and saw slow that took the flush. Okay. Yeah, hear that fill valve? Okay. Still going. Yeah, and finally stopped, yeah. Needs a new fill valve. Took forever to flush, alright. Got our tub, nice caulking around. Newer fixtures. Nice shower head. So everything looks clean here. Our panda bathroom. Okay. Got our closet. Alright. Just saw a random bag with no extra linens. There's that. Okay. Mirror. Coat hangers. Lamp on the wall. Got a chair. Table. Fridge. Microwave. Fridge seems to be clean. Doesn't seem that cold though. There we go. Like the fridge was off. But that's working. Got our little microwave, which is clean. Some drawers. Don't know what that is. Got our coffee. Got a newer alarm clock. Outlets by the bed. I love that. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Hampton Inn Suites, Alexandria South. Yeah. Room 624. Got two beds. Just me here. They just upgraded me to a higher floor of my Hilton Honors Gold status, so don't think that's much of an upgrade, but okay. Got the bed here. Sheets feel nice. Everything's gonna look clean. It's a nice Hampton bed. Looks fine under there. Newer mattress. Lines do feel pretty good. We do have some staining on the carpet, kinda all around the room. What's up, guys? Other desk with outlets, ice bin, our mana P-TAC, which will be controlling right there by the thermostat. Blackout shades. Here's the front of the hotel. They have an outdoor pool. There's a highway. Probably will be noisy. You can hear everything from right here. But we need to do some touch-up paint on the wall, so we got this going on right here. A little random stool bench thing here. So obviously this place could, use a renovation. But hey. Alright, here's my main gripe. Got stains on the carpet, see? Anyway, they charge for parking here. It's just a regular old parking lot. I stayed at 2 other hotels in this area. I just never had time to do a room tour video. But I stayed at the Holiday Inn Express up here on Richmond Highway. Free parking. I stayed at the Fairfield one time up here on Richmond Highway. Free parking. They charge, well, normally it's $20 to park in their parking lot. $20 a day. But they give you a code for 50% off, which makes it $10 a day if you're a hotel guest here. So I guess they use their parking lot to let other people park. Don't know why. I think some rip off is some money grab that they charge for parking here. You have to scan the QR code. They're all around the parking lot. Yeah. Yeah, that's money grab. You got your free breakfast 9 or 6 to 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see how that is. Got an outdoor pool, fitness center. Yeah. So there's that. Room could, use like system, made some updates, but it's not terrible. But they didn't charge for parking. Although I can't complain of the condition of the room because I'm staying here on employee rate. Paid $45 after tax, so I can't complain too much about it. Now, if you're paying like the full rate, I think from when I'm staying here is like $120 a night or something. You have to pay for parking, I would be upset. But keep that in mind if you want to stay here. So, and I got my Roku plugged into there, by the way. So yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.